Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making dog ice cream. It's a Frosty Paws copycat. So let's get started. What you're going to need. You're going to need either a hand mixer, a blender, or a Cuisinart. Something to blend. You can do it by hand, but it takes a lot of muscle. You're going to need something to put the ice cream in. I am going to use these bowls. You can either use ramekins, you can use your small Pyrex, or you can use some baking tins or some cute little molds that they sell on Amazon. I'm going to also need 16 ounces of Greek yogurt, plain yogurt. Make sure it's plain. And I'm going to need a third of a cup of peanut butter. You can use homemade peanut butter. You can use the natural. I have this on hand, so this is what I'm using. And one banana. All right, let's get started. All right. In this bowl, this is where we're going to mix it. And always get a bowl bigger than you think you're going to need. If you're only making a cup, make sure your bowl is big enough to fill maybe 2 or 3 cups. It's just so much nicer to mix something or make something in a bigger bowl than you think you're going to need, instead of trying to cram it in a tiny little bowl. But hey, if you only have a tiny little bowl, you only have a tiny little bowl. All right, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to take the banana, a ripe banana, and peel it. Smush her in there. My hands are clean. I washed them many times. Okay. Okay, let's do the peanut butter. You need a third of a cup. I'm going to take the peanut butter. We're going to put it in there. Okay, that's about a third of a cup. Okay. Next, we're going to take, calls for 16 ounces of yogurt, which is 2 cups. We're going to put 1 cup. Two cups. All right. Okay, now that both of those are in there, all the ingredients are in there. All right, now let's turn this baby on. Let me adjust the camera so you could see what's happening over here. Okay, we're mixing it up. The 1 ripe banana, the 3rd cup of peanut butter, and the 16 ounces of plain yogurt. Look at that. That's good. Smells good. The dogs are going to love this. All right, once it's all mixed, then you put it into your containers of your choosing. Remember when you were a kid and your mom or your grandma was baking something and she used these a blender like this, a mixer like that, and she used to let you lick the the beater. Woo, those were the days. Those were the days. Okay, so I'm just gonna put them in here. Look how fluffy that is. Look at that. So you just scoop it in your container of your choosing. They have some really cute like dog print molds on Amazon. Not sponsored. Pound it just a little to get most of the air bubbles out. You could fill it, however you want. You want it halfway, you want it all the way. I did it mostly all the way. So you just keep filling it. I just pound it a little. Air bubbles out. This one's actually filled a little too much. There. All right, I was able to fill 4 of these containers and 3 of my ramekins. Now, these ramekins are a little bit bigger, so you can have your dog share. I have 4 dogs, so they can share the bigger ones, and they can have one of those to themselves. And that's it. And you put it in the freezer for a few hours to freeze up, and then have your puppies enjoy. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.
Squeaker's always ready to party. You want some?